Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to use Coinbase Visa card, only ways. Open the Coinbase app, tap card, and follow prompts to activate and verify identity immediately. Add funds to your Coinbase fiat wallet or enable crypto spend settings to pay with assets. Set your preferred funding source and review rewards options. Use merchant controls and lock the card when not in use to protect your funds. Start by selecting your funding preference inside the card section of the app. If you plan to spend crypto, convert to the fiat wallet or enable auto-conversion to avoid declined transactions. Link a bank or debit card as backup for smooth purchases. Monitor conversion rates and small network fees to avoid surprises. Test with a small purchase to confirm settings before spending larger amounts. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful videos. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling great while you manage finances. It's a small, pleasant upgrade that makes errands nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use the Coinbase Visa like any debit card for contactless or online payments, choosing your funding source at checkout. Keep an eye on rewards and one crypto cashbacks if available, and enable notifications for each transaction. For refunds, merchants will return funds to your Coinbase account, so allow processing time. If the card is lost or compromised, lock it instantly and contact support through the app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.